Let us solve this problem. So here is the problem. 25 to the power of negative 2 equals 5 to the power of 48 over x over 5 to the power of 26 over x times 25 to the power of 17 over x. So we are asked to find the value of x that will satisfy the given equation. So let us solve together. So basically guys, para ma-solve ang problem na to, we will be applying the law of exponents. So para mas madali, gagawin nating pare-pareho yung base nila. So sa left side, that would be 5 square, then multiplied by negative 2. Okay, sa right side naman, kopyahin natin yung numerator kasi 5 na siya. Okay, how about sa denominator? Kopyahin din natin. Okay, yung ikalawa, 25, so that is 5 square, then times 17 over x. Okay, next step. So apply tayo ng law of exponent, power of a power. So magmumultiply tayo ng exponents. So 5 to the power of negative 4. 2 times negative 2. Okay, kopyahin ang first, itong numerator, over 5 to the power of 26 over x times, so power of a power ulit tayo. So 2 times 17 over x, that would be 5 raised to 34 over x. Okay? So 2 times 17 is 34. Now, we have 5 to the power of negative 4 equals, kopyahin na naman natin. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin dito? So, nagmumultiply, same base. So, kukopyahin ang base, then add the exponents. So, that would be 26 over x plus 34 over x. Okay? So, ang ginagawa natin dito guys, so iniisa-isa natin para mas clear na. Okay, that would be equal to 5 to the power of 48 over x all over 5. So, same ang denominator nila. So, copy the denominator and add the numerators. 26 plus 34 is 60. So, 60 over x. Now, apply na naman tayo ng law of exponent. So, same ang base nila and then nag-divide, copy the base, and then subtract the exponents. 48 over x minus 60 over x. That would be what? 48 minus 60. Okay, that would be what? Negative 12 over x. So now, pareho yung base nila, so we can equate the exponents. So that would be negative 4 equals negative 12 over x. So you can solve for the value of x by cross multiplication. Actually, pwede mo na siyang i-interchange yung x and negative 4. Yung shortcut na yan. X equals negative 12 over negative 4. So the value of x is 3. Okay, so the answer is x equals 3. Amazing.